What's up Singapore? What's up mga kapadyak? Dito po tayo ngayon sa Gangsa Bike Park. Here's my bike today, 2021 Specialized Enduro S-Works S3. Color is raspberry with the gold sticker. They call it All-Ins Edition. Fork will be 2021 Fox 38 170mm travel. Rear suspension will be 2021 X2 170mm travel. Group set X01 32 teeth on front. On the rear is a 10 to 50 GX Eagle with a GX derailleur. Wheel set will be I9 Hydra with LB light bicycle 38mm width. I'm using Maxxis tires, 2.5 on front, 2.5 on rear. DHF on front, Assegai on rear. Cockpit, DT Steam, 35mm length, 35mm bore. Handlebar rental, 760mm width, 35mm bore. TRP brakes, G-Spec Quad M, 203mm diameter rotor. Rubber seat post will be bike yoke, 34.9mm and 160 travel. So, yun lang po mga kapadyak. Thank you kapadyak. Subscribe na po, MKBN Singapore. Yes. Tangina na utal ako dun sa ano utal ako sa ano pre.
Sa suspension.
Oo, dun lang. Tangina. Edit mo lang naman, kaya naman na ma-edit na.
Kinakat-kat ko naman yun. Pagkamali. Tapos yun yung magandang bloopers eh.